Alright, now Google Chrome is one of the most commonly used browser on the Android phone, and by default, Google Chrome prioritizes convenience over absolute privacy. So to maximize your safety, privacy and data security on Google Chrome, there are some critical settings you need to turn off or modify, and that is exactly what we are going to discuss in today's video. But before we do that, a lot of you guys who watch my contents regularly have not subscribed yet. If you're not a part of Apex community yet, go ahead, subscribe. You will get to learn a lot. I keep posting some important contents on tips and tricks, new features, updates, etc. So do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. Now let's begin. The first setting that you need to turn off or block is the third-party cookies. Now the third-party cookies allows outside advertisers to track your browsing habits across different websites. Disabling this stops ad networks from building a creepy, detailed profile of your online behavior. To block the third-party cookies, all you need to do is just go to the settings on your Chrome, tap on privacy and security, and here you find this third-party cookies. Just tap on that. Here by default, you can see allow third-party cookies is selected. Sites that rely on third-party cookies should work as expected. If you tap on this, you will know what exactly this does. Sites can use third-party cookies to personalize content and ads and learn about actions that you take on other sites. Site features that rely on third-party cookies should work as expected. When you are in incognito mode, Chrome blocks sites from using third-party cookies. So if you browse the website on incognito mode, obviously these cookies are blocked. Now by default, this is what is selected. You can go ahead and select block third-party cookies. Some features may not work. Related sites can still use third-party cookies, it says, but still this is a better option to go with. Just disable the third-party cookies to stop the ad networks from tracking you. Next, background app execution. This feature keeps Google Chrome running silent tasks in the background even after you close the browser window. The malicious extensions can use this to harvest data or run background exploits, and it unnecessarily drains your phone's or computer's RAM and battery life. For this, tap on the three-dot button, tap on settings, scroll all the way down, you will find site settings. Just tap on this. Here on this page, keep scrolling down until you see this option, background sync. Tap on this. Here by default, recently closed sites can finish sending and receiving data is selected. So like I said, even if you close the site, it will still be receiving and sending the data. Just select don't allow closed sites to finish sending or receiving data. After closing a page, tasks that you start might not finish. But of course, without finishing the task, you will not close the site, right? But most of the time when you close the site, it will still be sending and receiving data. So go ahead and select this particular option to stop the background sync after you close a specific website. Next one is Google Password Manager. Now disabling this is optional, but it is recommended. Let me tell you why. So this feature automatically saves and syncs your login passwords across your Google account. If someone gains physical access to your device or hacks your Google account, they instantly get all your passwords. So instead of Google Password Manager, a dedicated encrypted third-party password manager is vastly more secure. And if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phones, Samsung offers an encrypted password manager by default on your Galaxy phone. You can use it. And that is available on Samsung Wallet. We've got Samsung Pass right over here. I've got the sign-in info here and private info. Let me tap on this. Here we have got all the pass keys and passwords which are encrypted on Samsung Wallet. Now these features on Samsung Galaxy phone uses defense grade encryption backed by Samsung Knox to safeguard your data. So when we already have this defense grade encrypted password manager, why not just use it, right? So go ahead and disable Google Password Manager. For this, all you need to do is go to Chrome, tap on settings and scroll down, you will see Google Password Manager. Tap on this and here tap on settings. Right on top, we have got this toggle offer to save passwords. So that's an important setting to disable. And we have got some more settings like automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. If you want to keep this disabled, you can do that as well because you already have the passkeys on Samsung's wallet on the Samsung Password Manager. auto sign in, automatically sign into website and apps using stored credentials. If disabled, you will be asked for confirmation every time before signing in. It is definitely convenient to have these features turned on, but it is not as safe and secured as the encrypted password managers from Samsung. So go ahead, disable these features depending on your preferences. The next one is automatic location, camera and microphone access. This allows sites to prompt you for your physical location, webcam or audio hardware. Sneaky phishing sites can trick you into granting these permissions to spy on you or track your movements. To disable this, go to the settings. Here under advanced, we have got site settings. Just tap on that. And this is where you will find the permissions for location, camera, microphone, notification, etc. Tap on the location. By default, sites can ask for your location. Change this to do not allow sites to see your location. Go back, tap on camera. Sites can ask you for camera. Just select don't allow sites to use your camera. Microphone access, again do the same thing. And we have got other options like notifications, embedded contents, etc. You can go ahead and disable them if you want. Sometimes you may want the location access to be turned on for maybe using maps or any other location-based services. So if you want to keep it on, you can always keep it on. Sites can ask for your location, but the microphone and camera, you can go ahead and disable it, set to not allowed. These are some very important settings you need to disable immediately on your Google Chrome application. Go ahead, do that. If you've got any more points to add, do share it in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for you guys. If it is, then go ahead, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to download our Volvus wallpaper application. This wallpaper you see on my home screen was recently added under the premium section. It's available right on top. If you're checking it today, go ahead and check it out. There are some beautiful collections here, video wallpapers and some depth effect clock as well. Go ahead and check out the application. The link is in the description. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.